guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing guys? I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to make a rosette cake. So let's get started. So firstly I'm taking my cake board and I'm going to apply some whipped cream into the base so that cake will stick to board. So after applying the cream into the board, I'm taking my vanilla base, and after that I'm taking a scoop of whipped cream and I have just colored my cream with some pink color. Just spreading it all over with my offset palette knife. If you want to add more cream, you can add it. It all depends upon you. So I'm taking one more scoop of cream and spread it all over. I'm making a pineapple cake, so I'm adding a pineapple compote that I have made today. Or you can also add fresh pineapple chunks into it. It's totally optional. So you have to spread it evenly so that you can taste this fresh pineapple in every bite. It's time to add our second layer, and after adding the second layer I'm scraping off all the extras from the sides of the cake. After scrapping off the sides, what we have to do, we have to repeat all the method of cream and pineapple compote that I have done earlier. So once again I'm just spreading my whipped cream all over, and then I have to add my pineapple compote into it. It's time to add my final and top layer into it, and then repeat the same method, just scraping off the sides, and then cover the whole cake with your whipped cream. So I'm making a rosette cake, so we have to add enough cream so that crumb coat is done, because we have to make roses, so it's gonna hide everything. After crumb coating my cake, this is how it looks like. I'm taking my piping bag with the rose tip. I'll mention the tip number in the description box. So gently press the piping bag and swirl it in any direction whichever is suitable for you. I'm making these roses all over my cake. And actually you can play with different colors. You can make this as ombre effect or maybe dual tone color roses. It totally depends upon you how you make your cake at its best. After making all the roses, I'm taking my chocolate vermicelli, or you can take of your own choice. Just fill inside so that it looks better and beautiful. So this is my final output. I hope you enjoy the video, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell next to it so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye bye.